Uncle Ted, how's your morning? Uncle Ted's morning is doing pretty good. Pretty good. Right, Ted? Sitting right over there. Yeah. Oh wow, look at this gold, man. Complete reverse from that area. Done trading for the day, but just want to understand why 1912. 1912 because that's above this resistance area over here. So that's why 1912. So like an impulse over there in 1912. Because whenever you're taking impulse entries, you're expecting price to just go. You know, just keep on moving. Um, no overtrade is not for that Japanese guy. His name is Subasa Yozawa. Twitter account. You guys can see his last trades within 2 hours of 50 trades. Win rate is 95%. Oh wow, 95%. Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look over here at Mr. Japan. Oh, he's on Instagram as well. Oh, 112,000. He is some Japanese trading dude. I'm totally confused what's going on over here.
It doesn't seem like he's trading though.
I just don't understand what's happening. There's
Wow,
his
look at
his
gold waves.
his
What does
kid
he
is
trade?
no. What I'm thinking is like here's him, here's his kid, and then there's I don't know maybe that's his wife, and then his wife's in bikinis over here. I mean, so what's happening here?
Wow, gold is dropping heavy.
Oh, we broke below 1905.
Holy, where is this candle going?
This is crazy. This is going to continue dropping. This will continue dropping down to 1899. Kervin, do you still have gold buys on?
Come on. No, man. Oh, man.
Yeah, man, this is crazy. I don't know what's happening with this guy over here. Okay, what's this? Wow, he's like a Japanese mentor or something. 61,000, 690,000. This guy's making money. Gold to 1883. Yeah, I think gold can continue down. Do you think my Imgur analysis can play out? I think so. I think so because now we're breaking below 1905, and since it's breaking below 1905, I think it can continue moving bearish to 1899 here. So your Imgur analysis can very well play out. So you have it till like 1890. So yeah, I think it could happen. You know, we could get a $5 to $7 move over here. going to go up, it needs to go up above, 1905. Look at this GJ. Ooh, someone got 30 pips on gold here, coming down from 1905. Beautiful. Beautiful. Can we take a sell at gold? Let's take a look here. Yeah, I would say so. It'll be a great idea if you look on the 1 minute time frame over here. If you look on the 1 minute, this is a pretty good time right over here for gold to continue dropping. So if you take full margin sell over here at this point, and then all you I started a $20 account and made it to 135 and blew it. Oh wow. I will start on Monday at 1,000 euro. I want to take only one trade a day like you. How much should I risk a day? West African Sylvester. So I guess we're talking to West African Sylvester Stallone. I think the best way to do that is to just take one or two trades. You know, just take one or two trades and just take it day by day. And if you're looking to see how much you want to risk, I think you should be risking like what you want to lose. I mean, if you're starting with $1,000 account, I think maybe risking $10 a day or like $20 a day, that's going to be pretty good. Oh wow, look at that. Damn. Or like $20. Crazy, crazy moves here today. NFP. Yeah, I think I'm going to stay till NYC open and then I'm going to call it a day after that. All right, what's this? Leaders skeptical about prospects of Brexit deal. Yeah, this is nuts. At one point we had news that moved pound bearish, and then we had news where now it's moving pound bullish. Crazy. There's no emotion in demo trading, just saying. That's absolutely true. Some people in your Zoom lag are not very respectful. We are 3,000 people watching here, and everyone is trying to learn. Um, yeah, but the people in the Zoom, they don't know who you are. So you have to think yourself as a professional person who doesn't care about what people think. I mean, there are 3,000 people here, and you think I'm worried about what 3,000 people are thinking, what I say or do, what someone else says or does? I mean, you have to be confident about yourself. Like if you have to, I think in life you really have to think about yourself as someone who should be respected the most. And when you see someone saying like negative things or bad things about a group of people, and somehow you're in that group, just think that okay, they're probably talking about someone else. you know they're definitely talking about someone else, because we have a lot of smart people here in the gulag as well. Gulag is a big community of traders that we have, like collected now over the period of 2 years, where we all come over here, we learn together, we post charts, we get critique on those charts. I mean, who does that now? Nobody. I mean, with these live streams, the learning curve has dramatically increased for everybody. Dramatic. Yeah, look at this 5 minute. This 5 minutes about to close. The next one's going to wick up and then continue down. If it breaks it, we go continue bearish. But at the same time, we have to stay calm. It's a Friday. On Friday, we don't need to over trade. I think having the stream running out for this long is really a test for people if they want to over trade or not.
Yeah, I agree.
It's a big test. Ooh, look at that. 5 minute broke the low over here. This is some really, really strong volatility over here. If it broke the low, it should continue moving bearish, and the next 15-minute candle should continue moving bearish. This is crazy, crazy things happening on gold. If you're experienced, you've seen this happen, you're gonna make a lot of money. But it comes a time, that experience, um, it all comes with time. The intuition, when you see the same things happen over and over again. 1903, and then we can expect 1901 down over here, probably like right over here, 1901, and then 1900. Oh,
Wow. Wow.
what's this? Kervin thinks he's a cowboy, but gold knocked him off the horse.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
No, man, but if it went up, everyone would have said, oh, yeah, oh, this is amazing, amazing, amazing.
Hmm.
But, oh, blown account, tough week, revenge trading, over trading, few weeks
Yeah.
off, look at the mistakes and do it again. Yes,
Um,
that is true. Yeah, this is going to continue dropping. Let's take a look at US 30 over here. US 30 is also creating that momentum.
yeah.
Holy, we're about to break this and continue to 1901 and then 1900. 1900. All right, let's take a look at this chart over here, mate. Someone sent this chart in the gulag. This is, oh, your JPY. When you're looking at the overall trend, bearish, bullish, you determine the trend based on overall daily. So basically, if you're looking at this scenario over here, obviously daily candle is coming down. It's also coming down to this resistance area. So I think at this point, you need to look at the small time frame, like look at the 4-hour time frame and see if the support is a valid support or not. So let's take a look at that over here. Let's take a look at your JPY. Oh, okay, your JPY has just been ranging here. Well, then there's nothing. Yeah, it's just ranging at this point. So if you look on the daily is coming down to the same area. 4 hours also coming down to that same previous, like resistance turned support. You look at the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour is just ranging. So now you need price to break out of this range. Look at this 5 minute candle is about to close on gold. Next candle will form. Probably going to wake up and continue bearish. Boom, boom. Now we're creating this minor resistance over here. So as we start coming down, this is the low you would need price to break. And then you're expecting price to not retrace at all and just continue falling to 1900. Right over here. Now I feel like Ted, if it breaks this low. It's not even New York Open yet. That is false. New York opened almost an hour and a half ago. We're moving into NYC Open. Hey, please advise on growing a small account over a long period, like 5 years, with monthly top-ups. I think to grow a small account over 5 years, it's pretty easy. Just focus on one or two trades. And if you look on gold, we're coming down towards 1902, and then we can continue falling towards 1900. I think that's going to be a nice 20, 23, 24 pips. What's this? Yeah, almost there. Let's check our favorite Chinese indicator over here. Ooh, Chinese indicator is saying that the gold is gaining, the US dollar is gaining a little bit of a strength over here. And pound, yen is ranging. It is what it is. Someone keeps saying gold is going up. You know what? I think for gold to continue going up, it needs to break above this consolidation here, like above 1912. That's where it needs to break above if gold is going to continue going up. But if you can see the market structure on gold right now, we're creating that low, that minor resistance, and now we're coming up to this low over here. Once we break this low, there's a free fall. A free fall is coming on gold. And that free fall should continue down till 1900. See? You see that? We've broken the low now. And now it should continue on like a stallion, like a galloping horse. Like a galloping horse. Just galloping down the road. Like pum, 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 pum. What do you think about USD Cad? It's trying to get out of the range. Let's take a look over here. USD Cad. Daily time frame. Let's start from the daily. So daily basically created a resistance up over here. We had the resistance forming at 1.33950, and then we had a support forming at 1.33590, and then now daily candle is forming a support down over here. Now let's drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Now looking at the 4-hour, we basically broke above this resistance here. Now let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame. Looking at the 1 hour, we had a support forming here. We had some sort of a resistance area on the 1-hour time frame at 1.33250. And if you look left, I think there's clean traffic, at least till I would say like 1.33470. So let's go down to the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I think it is breaking up over there. You're right. Looking at the 15-minute as well, that looks pretty good. How can I join Gulag? You cannot join something you're already a part of. You are already in the Gulag. How do you know whether to wait for a full retest or wait for that mini resistance to continue? I think that comes with experience. Like the more you see the mini retests, the more you see those resistances formed, the better you're going to be at it, right? Like, let's say if you look at USD CAD over here, this right over here at this point, what you can see is that, okay, like, if this candle closes bullish, there's a probability on the 30-minute time frame that the next 30-minute can continue moving bullish. In this case, there's no retest. It's just candles making higher highs and higher lows to continue moving bullish. But in some instances, what can happen is that price can continue going up, come down, create like a minor support, and then continue moving back up again. So we're about to move into NYC Open in 15 seconds here. And in 15 seconds, if gold does not have a jolly good time, then probably going to end the stream over here, but it should really respect 1904 and then continue moving down towards 1900. Ooh, someone is talking about the huge sell divergence on USD Cad. So you're looking for a sell on USD Cad. I don't know. I think you'll need some sort of a bearish confirmation to sell on USD Cad when it comes to, especially when it comes to price action. Oh wow, look at that. Looks like no more sells on gold. Crazy. All right, everybody, I'm gonna head off over here.
Okay, Raja.
Before I try to overtrade.
Take care, man. Have a nice
Take care,
weekend.
everybody.
Take care, Nikhil. Have a great weekend.
Take care, Raja. Thank you.
Okay.
Welcome back, friends. So I'm considering GU shorts here, but I'm still waiting for some new resistance to form. Yep. Please don't overtrade. Those, I hope no one's account is like badly damaged from gold. I'm waiting for shorts because this 30-minute close below this 1 hour support that I had. But yeah, I'm still waiting. And yes, I had entries earlier on GJ, but no gold entries. That was insane. Hey Zhao. How's my day coming along? Today was good. Today was not bad, not bad. I was quite patient on the GJ cells earlier on the 30-minute. Before NFP I managed to put it to break even, so that was good. Oh, yesterday was good in the end. Did you see the shot? It just needed a very long while. It moved in pre-London. I'm shorting on GJ and GU now. Already put on break even, but still hopes it goes down. Oh, you short both. Okay. Just be careful, because one Brexit news comes out, bam, bye bye. I was looking at that shop at 4 AM but couldn't stay awake. Yeah, it's okay. We'll get more. A swing that went well open just at the end of your stream. Yeah, I think it was the same one as what I took, right? Let me see. Ray Daddy, I don't know whether you overtraded. I take a lot fewer trades, so maybe that's why. Yeah, but Nasmi, this time you are lucky, but I honestly, as risk management, I wouldn't go £2 pairs at one go. Same for US dollar, so just be careful. Nice, Zhao. Yeah, this was the swing that was so slow. Yeah, you wanna, Nasmi, you wanna send your charts and at least I can help you have a look. Yeah, the analysis was right. Just had to trust it. Even though people question. Because if you put in the hours, right, then all you have to do is just trust the analysis. There's no other way about it. It's just, this was just unfortunate, this liquidity grab. Got stocked up with gold. Wow, Vance. I think you need to go enjoy the weekend already. Please don't overtrade. Ooh, this retest was deep. Damn. Cry onto this. Okay, see you on Monday. I send you tissues. Buddy. Ooh, GJ flipped. Damn. Bye bye. So it's good to wait. Can I take a look at EJ? Sure, since there's nothing. I honestly don't like this consolidation on EJ here. Because even if this candle closes long, right? Closes bullish, your support was formed below. So if you wanted to take this trade, you firstly it would be late. Secondly, you might run into problems here. So yeah. How many trades did you take, Ray Daddy? Just doing Raja's stream alone today. Please say less than 5. Or less than 3 for that matter. It's Friday night in Singapore. You should be chilling with friends. Yeah, I'm going for supper later. Oh, Ray Daddy. Oh my god, 7 is... You need to go off now. Like, just go off. 7 is too much. With bad US news, isn't it risky to sell pound dollar? I didn't... Yeah, I was looking for ideas, but I didn't sell it. Because it didn't even form. Which pairs am I looking to trade? There's nothing forming now. You tried to hold but can't bear the loss. You mean you traded without a stop loss? Oh my god. No, no, no. Ooh, dumplings sound good, Sandra. Maybe. I'll take a photo for you if I go. Oh, you moved your stop loss. Oh no. Okay. Danger, danger. Never ever move your stop loss. So, the stop loss is there to protect you. Please don't ever move it. It's Friday, guys, so the window for trading is not very big now. Usually I see volume start to die out like at least 1 hour before the London close, so Fridays end earlier. Yeah, only move your stop loss to break even. Yes, nothing further. Same crosses the body before. Yeah, so yeah, the community is quite small, so I can just manage my trades slower. But then for Raja's stream, he has a lot of people, and then he's answering a lot of questions at a time, so sometimes it's tougher for him to manage the trades at the same time. But if you listen to him talking, right, usually he actually tells you how he's managing the trades, but you just have to keep listening. Do I let my trades run through the weekends? No. I don't want to pay weekend swaps. It's very expensive. And then if anyone's planning to hold trades over the weekend, there is some Brexit meeting over the weekend, so please don't hold your trades. Where was it? Yeah, this one. So they are meeting. Please do not hold your trades. Oh, weekend swap is only for 1 day, but for FX, the 3 day swaps in on Wednesday. Yeah, but there's still extra cost, right, Will? If you hold it over the weekend and then Monday it gaps because of some weird dodgy shit that happened during this thing. Yeah. Yeah, don't hold it. So they do charge you for it first, right? Just that they settle it later. It's just like stocks. If you hold from Friday to Monday, you're charged 1 day swap. Yeah, but I can just avoid it entirely. Okay, we got it. If you hold it from Friday to Monday, you're charged 1 day swap. If you hold it from Wednesday to Thursday, you're charged 3 day swaps. Okay. Raja is super duper disciplined. Yes and no. He just knows what he's trading. Swaps are like overnight fees, if I were to put it simply. Yeah, Benz is right. So market open gaps on Monday will either put you into profits or take you out at a really bad price. Yes. So now that we know that there is some Brexit meeting over the weekend, just don't hold any pound trades over the weekend, or euro for that matter. So Fridays are usually slower. If you guys have any questions, just ask them. Benz, I thought you went off to buy tissues. Hey Essie, with the choppy condition 1 hour 4 hour, would it still be right to consider GJ as bullish? No, GJ is just ranging now. There is no trend. GJ is ranging. You will only buy above here. Buys above. Yeah. If not, then you would sell below 130. What's this? 135,900. Yeah. But GJ is just ranging. There's no trend. How do I identify my levels? Jamie, you want my thing again? My code? There you go. Non-farm payrolls. NFP's non-farm payrolls. So if anyone doesn't know, right, usually on Forex Factory, it gives you like, so it's this one. So if you click on this little envelope, it gives you like an explanation. Yeah, as if you can't see the direction, right, that means highly likely it's just ranging. Because GJ direction is quite obvious, especially when it trends. If you have to keep trying to think about it, right, means it's ranging. Which broker good in US? I don't know. I'm in Singapore. Can I take a look at your gold chart? Let's see. Overall trend is bullish. Based on your chart, yes. Looking for buys at 18.95.5. This is 1 hour. Let's see. $18.95.5. I'm seeing like 18.92 if you wanted to be safe. Yeah, just somewhere around this area here. Somewhere around this area. I think it's the same area you drew up. Yeah. I was profitable for quite some time but have been losing for the last 2 weeks. Does this mean I am terrible? Oops. I am terrible at trading, or is this normal in the learning curve? Paul, I don't think you are terrible at trading, but I think it's really a discipline thing. The market hasn't been very easy in these 2 weeks, honestly. If you look at even like, I wouldn't say I'm very good, but I know when to not trade. So if you're new, right, not trading is a thing. It's fine not to trade. So if you look at the last 2 weeks of my trading calendar, right, I started on the 14th. So this was the previous week. This week was fine. Then the next week I took so few trades. Look, I had 2 days where I didn't trade. So I literally sat here for 7 hours with the rest of them, and then I just didn't take anything. And then there were no trades this week as well. Yeah, so it's really fine. But if you're over trading, then that's really on a trader. Yeah, Jamie, why don't you take my zones, draw them up, right? And then after that, if you cannot understand why one zone is like that or another zone is like that, put your own zone on it, and then I can have a look at your zone. Yeah, that's how you learn to adjust. May I know why you choose GJ? Is it because of Raja? No. It's just because, so if you look at the pairs I trade, except for gold, right? The pound, both pound dollar, and the pound and GJ and EJ, only one side is open during the session I trade, so that's why I chose it. GU, I just added it on later, but I don't think I really trade it a lot. This is my first time trading NFP. I lose some of my funds. I will not try NFP again. Yes, I didn't even touch NFP just now. Don't need it. $18.95 is 200 EMA as well. Go. Oh, interesting. Can you please comment on this trade and re-entry? Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, so anyone who took trades earlier wants me to have a look at your markups. Happy to do so. Okay, nice. I like this. So 60 minutes. Support form during pre-London, okay. Took by a support form on 30. Where's the 30? Okay, here. Ah, this was the same trade as me. Okay, so let's see. Open trade on 30-minute close. Okay, close full. Oh, why you close full? Wasted. Okay, so I entered the same trade as you. I'll explain my idea, right? Why I didn't close full. So your entry was at this candle, correct? Let me draw it. This one here, right? So I think you had a bit of issues because it had no top wick. So knowing that you're entering when there's no top wick, just size your trade accordingly. So when you went down to the 15, you saw these wicks coming down to get you, so you cut half. Because at the end of the day, right, when you start off your original trade, you know you have to risk down because this first entry candle had no top wick, so it was already a riskier trade. So when I did that earlier, and it came back down to on the 15-minute, right, passing below the previous 15-minute low, I just cut half. Yeah, but I left the rest alone because I already reduced my risk, so I could just take the full loss on the other half. Because you entered on the 13 knowing that there would be pullbacks because it had no top wick. Yeah, so you can 30 minutes a fairly strong closure, a fairly strong signal, so you should be able to hold it. 136.04, there's a price zone. Let's see, 136.04. Joel, on the which time frame? Had only 3 trades this week. 1 loser, 2 wins. Ooh, nice. Oh, you did re-entry. Oh, I haven't finished reading. Okay, sorry. Re-entry on the 15-minute. Yeah. Rejected to the zone. This was risky if you ask me. Yeah, but it still worked because that was off the original idea, but this was really risky. So if you only closed half, right, then at least you could still leave the rest to go. So yeah, as long as you enter on a 30-minute close, more often than not I've seen that the trade does run. It's just because there was NFP earlier, you should expect it to chop around. Yeah, your original trade was 30, so you could have held it. Just cut half and trust the original stop loss. Yeah. Ooh, go longs off your 200 EMA and ooh, so many confluences. This looks good. What price is that? 18.95. Yeah, Lucas, I saw your trade earlier. Yeah, yeah. That was exactly how I did it also. Yep, just cut half. Because 30 minutes are strong, so we just need to cut half. If it really stops us out in full, right, then the more often than not, the trade is just gonna continue down, 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 down. But if you enter on a 30-minute, trust that the stop loss will hold. $18.95. Ooh, that's where I drew my box.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up, AJ? Did you take anything?
Nope, I'm vacation today.
Oh, are you at the beach? No, wait, there's no beach.
No, we don't have no beach, but I rented out a resort for the fam and all that.
Oh, nice.
So it's I'll miss the fee, but oh well.
There was nothing. It was like a non-event.
I took trades in the morning, DJ shorts. Got like 10 pips in there.
Yeah, that shot was the move from the previous night.
Exactly, that's what I got.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep myself mute because there's like noise.
Yeah. Is this my full-time
Did Roger
job?
take anything?
Yes, he took the gold cells.
The sell stops?
No, way after that, because gold only moved like way after that. So I think he took it after, like when this big candle, after this big candle formed.
So did he actually call it, or did he just take it by side?
No, he didn't call it out. It was risky though. Yeah.
But I'm sure he planned it out before, right?
Yeah, because his original sell stops were at 1904. So when it came down, broke below, I think that was his cue to enter short.
What do you think about DJ Longs? If this 30-minute closes above where it's at right now, it should go up, right?
Yeah. If it closes above 136,200, then yes. But we'll see, because there are wicks on the left also, so I need a strong close with a top wick. You feel like there is resistance at 105,344. 344. Yeah, Jake, I think I might need to see your chart. The only resistance I see is somewhere here. Booms. 105.4. How do I stay consistent? Okay, it's difficult to say don't think about the money because it's always at the back of your mind, but it's counterintuitive. So if you keep thinking about the money, right, then you're just gonna give more and more stress for yourself. So yeah, if I'm not consistent, then I guess because I've been trading for like almost 7 years, after a while you just don't want to lose anymore and you know what are better trades to take. Those 2 wicks of the previous candles. Yeah, Jake, what time frame, man? Usually I don't do this. I usually need a chart, but because there's nothing much today, I don't know which. This one, the 30, the 15. Oh, this resistance here. This is not resistance to me. This is just very short term. I usually draw my resistance on the 1 hour. Yeah. Yeah. Lower time frame zones don't really count. They get broken quite quickly, especially when there's momentum. Yeah. How much percentage do I risk per trade? 1%. 1 to 2 max. What about gold? Gold is... So Jisri, I think you're new. I don't trade gold, so if you want I can help you look at your structure and analysis on gold, but I don't trade it. Someone trades gold here. If you need this chart to have a look, this is their idea. So yeah. Bye Ryan. See you on Monday. So now that GJ is breaking, all we have to do, wait for support to buy it back. Was there news? Trump, who is 74 years old and overweight. Oops. Yeah, Joe, it's okay. If we miss it, it's okay. If it comes back for us, then we'll take it. If not, then oh wells. If it leaves a wick, that's even better for you, right? It's like yum yum. Yep, there weren't any signs, you are right. So it's not a miss. Yeah, that's why I was trying to see if it was news, because it's just suddenly a push. If it wicks a lot, it will get filled. Yes. It was due to Donald Trump COVID. Really? On GJ, to simplify it, you're waiting for price to break 136,200. Yes. And make a retracement, then execute by... Not retracement, it needs to make a support. Because retracement can just be like the next candle just tapping, right? So like I'm waiting for support. Because it's a Friday, so I don't want to take my last trade on like not solid confirmations. Why not just put pending order there? So what if it doesn't hold and then it comes back in as a fake out, then jeng jeng jeng. A lot of stock prices fell when news came out about Trump. Oh, okay. But this morning when they announced that he had COVID, it dropped. So now why is it rising? Yeah, listen to Urban. Because pending orders are risky though, so just be careful. So like yesterday, I think Brandon was here. So he only uses pending orders, but he gives like a buffer. Because he knows he has issues executing with market entry. So you need to test to see which is better for you. Can we identify a fake out? No. Because it's called a fake out. It's there to fake you out. Jao, are you getting excited with that weight?
Yeah, I'm getting excited too for BJ, honestly. If it closes above like this in 17 minutes, I'm definitely taking it.
Yeah.
Or at least it will fill with.
Why are you not enjoying your time with your family?
I'm trying to make back the money that I just spent.
How can we tell the difference between retracement and support? Support forms in 2 candles usually. So, for example, this one here. So when price pushed up, right, came to this 1 hour zone, this was a retracement. And then when this candle formed, that was the support. You need a retracement first and then a support. Will confirm whether the retracement is done. Same thing for resistance. Yeah, Nasmi, that's exactly how Brandon enters, because he doesn't want emotions when he enters the trade. I think he talked about it towards the... I think 3/4 into yesterday's stream. You can try to listen to what he says. It's on YouTube. I caught most of it. The one about Brandon talking about his spending orders. Yeah, it was interesting. Like, he knew where he was gonna put it. He was also okay to miss out on some profits. Because, like, for example, if he were to put a pending order here, right, he would place it in... If he wanted to go long, for example, he would place it... no, if he wanted to go short, he would place it, like, far away. Yeah, so he was willing to give up profits, like, within this area. So there's also that. Yeah, it's interesting is how he makes it work, correct. But he tested it, so definitely need to test. So the 15 just closed above 136,200. I would wait for it to test at least back to this zone with a wick first before anybody wants to try an entry.
It's too big of a stop loss even on the 15 minute. It's
Yeah,
like
so
20 pips.
yeah, so that's why I'm saying, like, if you wanted to enter, right, at least let it wick down, then you can put your stop loss below the wick. But it doesn't look like it wants to wick down for you. If this 15-minute candle taps the 200 level, will you enter then once it passes the previous body? Yes, Sam, exactly what I'm saying.
Yeah, no FOMO for me. I'm chilling. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. I don't care.
Yeah. So it needs to come down first, Sam and Owen. So if it doesn't come down, right, then maybe I'll wait for support. So we'll see. Right now there's nothing yet. It's not coming down. So that is worrying. Because there were, so the way I'm looking at this breakout, right, is GJ tested so many times to this area here without breaking. So now this candle broke strong, which is good. It should do a quick test before it continues up. So the quick test can come in a wick, can come in the form of the next 2 candles forming support, or the next like 4 candles. So yeah, there we go. See, now it's coming down. So we really need to just watch it. I just want the wick. How big is this wick? Let's see. Ooh, 13. I have 5 days left to earn 5%. Good luck. Don't overtrade. Take solid trades. Bam. You just need 5 and then you're done. AJ, I see you staring intently at it, waiting for it to come down.
Oh, my video is on?
Yes.
Shit. I didn't even know.
You are staring really, really intently at it.
Yeah, I'm looking at the screen because I don't have my station, so it's like really hard. So I'm trying to concentrate.
Oh no, Vance, why you gotta do that to him? Don't listen to Vance, Mutu. Vance is a gambler, don't listen to him.
What do you say?
He said, so Mutu wants to, he's almost done with his challenge, right? So he's left with the last 5% and then Vance said, trade USD ZAR.
FTMO? FTMO?
Yeah. He asked him to trade USD ZAR.
I mean, even if you don't make the target, right, they give you a second chance, so don't worry.
Yeah.
If you're profitable at the with the challenge and you didn't end up with a loss, they give you a second chance.
Oh.
For free. Yeah, this ain't.
My bad, AJ. It was a bit loud, so I pressed it. Sorry, you were saying?
Yeah, it looks like it's not gonna be wrong.
Yeah. Zhao is in. Zhao is in. Looking at the 5 minutes, I was expecting it would retrace a bit more. Let me see. How are you gonna enter if you're looking at the 5? Check for a retrace, but it was weak. Yeah, I would worry. I think it should still come down though. The 5 is like making lower highs. It might want to come. It might want to come down lower to 200 to test and go up again. 400-ish is a level on the 4 hour. Ooh, let me see. Because of this, Sam? Yeah. Yeah, I saw that too, but this whole area here is just really messy, so I just put it on 500.
Yeah, that was news anyway too. So
Yeah, but what news though?
remember that news that day where it, like bounced down, went up, bounced down. It was like the Brexit news.
Oh yeah.
So I don't count it.
Oh, okay.
It is coming down though. The 15.
Just wait. 136.21 is my entry point. 136.21. Oh, it's a 38 fit. That's a minor retracement. Let's go. So I think Lex drew it up here. Let's guess. Oh no, I got it wrong.
Your fit is backwards.
My fit is backwards. Oh, my bad.
No.
No, it's
Is it?
correct. Yeah, it's correct.
No, it's good. It's good. Never mind.
Yeah, but
Don't
no.
listen to me today.
You're not trading on the big screen.
Yeah.
AJ waiting on a sell. No, we are all waiting for buys.
This level needs to hold now.
8 more minutes. Oh wait, AJ as in AUDJPY Liron, or AJ as in that guy. Shit, I just realized it could be Aussie yen.
That's funny.
Whoops, awkward.
Okay. If this flips, probably have stop loss below the current, and then enter a buy.
Yep. Oh, it was really you. Yeah, he's waiting for. We are all waiting for longs.
Working on the weekend like usual.
Wickfield. Yeah, just needs to form that support. So we want this to close bearish, next one close bullish, then go to, if we just look at the
Hopefully Wakefield and continuation, right?
Yes. So I'm looking at possibly once the support forms, then possibly I'll definitely take some off at 500, and then yeah, I'll see how far I can go, because it's the end of, it's half an hour, no, it's 1.5 hours till London close, so yeah. Doesn't GU and GJ move the same way? Why does my GU15 reject resistance, but GJ already broke? No, they move the same way, so that's why I'm just being a bit more careful with my entries on GJ long, because if this one comes back in, then it's technically saying the same thing as GU, right?
Well, I guess there's no trade.
Yeah. That's why we
Well,
wait.
you see, even if it does close now, the stop's still too big.
Yeah, but this close is not
So
good.
even if it, yeah, but I'm saying like even if it doesn't go and flips bullish, the stop is still too big for me. I don't know. For somebody else, it's up to them.
Yeah. Yeah, for me, I
It'll
would
be what?
just
It'll be
13.
what? If this 15-minute candle flips, how much is it?
If it flips,
Bullish, 15 pips almost.
you would put your stop below the wick.
Yeah.
Right now it's about. No, it's only 10, like 8.
From the top, if it
Oh,
flips
from the top.
bullish,
Okay, okay.
if it flips bullish,
Yeah, like almost 20. Yeah, but I really would wait for confirmations though. Like I wouldn't enter on an impulse because, like I mentioned earlier, right? If you just look at the 30 at least, look, there's just a lot of wicks. So I would wait for the support to form, preferably.
alrighty.
Yeah. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, even the 1 hour is saying wicks on top, so I really would be more careful with the long. What about previous 15-minute rejection? Can we ignore it? No, we don't ignore it. Yeah, so we take note that all these rejections, they do count. That's why I'm waiting for support to form. So 2 candles need to form.
You got 3 minutes. 15-minute and half an hour should be closing in 3 minutes. So hopefully it closes above.
Yeah. Yeah, Damien, I see the liquidity level, I think. Just size accordingly for this trade. Let's see, Liron. Where's your resistance? Like, is your zone here? Because like for me, if that 15-minute formed and then closed back down, then and you took the shot, then yeah. But all I see is you just waited for. Yeah, I think you missed the zone, right? No candle closing bearish, so no confirmation. Yeah. The thing is, so some of the guys are also saying GU looks like rejections. So this could be a hint that GJ doesn't want to go up as well. So if anyone's entering, just size appropriately. Yeah, Liron, I think you might have missed the zone.
Yeah, no entering for me at all.
Yep.
No. Alright, I'm gonna call it a day, guys. I don't want to be.
You don't have itchy fingers.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day, but
Right.
just wanted to hop in and see what's up.
Okay, happy weekend. Bye bye.
You too. See ya.
I entered GJ at 135, 910. You're looking for 130. Oh, 136, 650. Well, if GJ is not closing above 136, 200, then no. After I fake out, the chances are it's going to go to the other end. Would you consider a 15-minute fake out? Like for me, not really. Like I need it to minimally be on the 30. But either way, the 30 closed way below the 200 zone. So it's saying the same thing as GU now. So just be careful with longs. I said it was missed. No, I said you missed out. Like, where's your zone? Like, is it here? Like me? Is this your zone? That's why you're taking it short? Or did you just take shots because this is forming bearish? Shots. How would you be selling it? Ask me. Why don't you show me on your chart? Then I can see whether your analysis is valid. Because I don't really see shots. What was your breakthrough moment or idea with trading that pushed me towards... Oops. That pushed me towards profitability? What was my breakthrough moment? I think I didn't really have a choice, because once you go full time, then you kind of need to make it work, right? Yeah. Plus, I've traded for 7 years. If I'm still not consistent, then I suck, man. Yeah, it's just a waste of my 7 years. Oh, because it was forming bearish, then no, Leron, you need some kind of zone. So for example, like on GJ, right? Earlier, if you were to tell me that if this bearish candle breaks and closes below, that's why you're taking the short, then yes, that's a valid entry. But you cannot just say that you want to take a short just because this candle is bearish. Then why wouldn't you take a short here? Right? So it needs to be because of some kind of resistance zone. One 13626 on the daily. 13626. Yeah, so I have it at one. Yeah, this one here can be a daily. It's not even breaking, so no trade. Can you please advise as to how you mark up your support and resistance with time frame numbers? Oh, so you just click a horizontal line, double click, and then write in your text here. Then it will show. Yep. Bye, Ray Daddy. Have fun. Oh, it looked like a Quasimodo pattern. Where? Not yet, right? I don't think so. A mail help. I don't think it's a QM yet, right? I'll check the daily. Let's see. Daily on GJ. What's up with the daily? Oh, 270 here. Okay. Ooh. With a close or just a break? You want the daily wick fill? I thought you were just going for this. That daily wick fill, I think it's this area, right? No? Let me see. Oh, okay, okay. You gave me a shock. I thought you wanted this. You will take a bomb to break. Yes. That's me. AU is just range. Look. Any time frame you look at it is just range. Yeah, I didn't want to tell you, but Sam told you. Because if you go down to your 30 or your 1 hour, right? See. Range. Range. Yeah, there's no trend. So. Yeah, I didn't want to tell you first because I wanted to let you figure it out on your own. Yeah. So, Lauren, this is not a Quasimodo yet. Where's my picture? It needs to be... Oh, okay, someone got banned. Okay, fine. Yeah, go ahead. So annoying. Nah, Nasmi is okay. Cause, yeah, it's good that you asked. Cause I wanted you to see it first. Let me find it. Sam profitable, no consistent, yes. 7 years with 2 very big losses. It's tough to come back. Need to create a lower low, yes. I was gonna draw it. I was looking for the picture. So it is like this. Higher high, higher high, higher low. Booms. Then lower high and then comes down. Yeah. So this would be your entire structure, Leron. On your Quasimodo. Same but different. Yes. This is from Bangkok. I have a Starbucks on as well. No audio, no video? I don't think so. Hey Damien, how is your fit? Let me have a look. Because I think some of them want to catch like just this week fill, that's all. Let's see. Oh. Oh, it's off this area. Okay, let me see. This area. Yeah, see, at least you're willing to share. So I can see what I'm running into. Guys yesterday weren't even willing to share. Tus. Is it 62? Oh, okay. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, but I think like, so Damien, some of the guys here, I think they just take the 10 pips. So I think the wick fill might be possible. Because it's a 20 plus pip wick fill. So maybe they can grab it and run. Nani, I cannot see the link. How much is the rent for 1 bedroom? Oh, it really depends on where you stay. Like I know a friend who can get it, who got a 1 bedroom, I think 2,000 plus Sing. Yeah, Damien, I don't think they trade the FIPS, so I don't think they understand it. But technically, if your EMA is crossed, this is just a question. If your EMA is crossed here, right? Shouldn't you be buying soon? And wouldn't the FIP maybe break? Yeah. No? Just asking. No. 2,000 Sing is about 1,005. Yeah, we are land scarce, so our rent and our cars are just expensive. Let's see, Nani. FIPS can break many times. I use it for entry, and when I'm in, I see rejection and get out. Oh, okay. Yeah, see, I don't think, like, I understand it, but I don't think a lot of people get it. So, better not. But I see what you're saying. David, we're so expensive. Don't move here. Move to, like, where can you go? Like Thailand or something. We're so expensive. Boom, boom. Nani, what's your reason for shorts? Yeah, give me some words on the chart. Yep. Trust me. Thailand is a lot better. You can live like a king. I think GJ forming inverted head and shoulders on 4 hour. I don't know how to draw head and shoulders very well, so can you send me your chart, please? If I go on the 5 minute, you can see how many times you could have shorted the fib. And only a small stop loss around above the fib around 2 to 5 pips, and oh no, almost 95% of the time I can get 1:2, 1:3 risk reward. Okay, I see it. Yeah. But if you notice, I don't go down to the anything lower than the 15. It's a preference, nothing wrong. I don't think the COVID numbers are that high in Thailand, right? Ooh, this is nice. How is ours? This. Oh, where's our chart? Yeah, David, look at our chart and their chart. Theirs looks better. I need to get a haircut. Oh, they never record it. Dodgy. We just do tests on every single person. Almost everyone. That's why our test numbers are so high. We are such a small country but having lots of cases every day. Yeah. Wear masks, everybody. Wear masks. Everyone wears a mask here. Strong support here. Price came down here from support, made a rejection. So I entered buy from here. My stop loss was hit when price went bullish. Oh, hit you on the retracement. But why would you have your stop loss? I would have had my stop loss like below here. Yeah, this one here. Oops, sorry, cannot see. Like here. But I think this was just a deeper retracement. It maybe was just unfortunate. Let's go for you. Yeah. Because you can only put it somewhere here, right? If it wants to come and tap it, then let's just go. Which is better, WMA or EMA? I use neither, but the last time when I used it, I used EMA. Chow, your wick fill is looking good. Did you get your 10? Those who are doing the wick fill, please do not gamble with this. Just grab 10 and go. Oh, you didn't get it. I thought you would trade this. Yeah, those who are grabbing a wick fill, please. Please. Because I see what Damien is saying, the rejections, and this huge beep reaction is not good. Yeah, so please be careful. Yeah, those who bought, just be careful. Yeah, that's why I keep saying, please be careful. Bye Nasmi, see you on Monday. So Mr. 7 entered on the retest. I think this one. Yeah, this was safer. If you just did a blind entry at 200, then that's just illogical. But this retest, risky but just manage. Oh, Mr. 7, be careful if you're holding it till next week, because Boris has a meeting on Saturday. Boris, where is it? Yeah, this one. So if you're holding it, just be careful. Bye Fabio, see you. What is the black box? No trade zone. Yeah. Yeah, this area is just messy. No, he's having the meeting on Saturday. Yeah, so don't hold over the weekend. Not this weekend at least. Am I entering if 1 hour closes strong bullish engulfing? Wouldn't a bullish engulfing have to be like on this candle? This is gone already, right? So no, I'm not entering. There wasn't a proper support formed of 136 200 for me, so no trade for me. And then I think Damien is trying to tell you guys to be careful of this area on the 4 hour, which is this mess here. Dun -dun, that we are coming into. So yeah. I know you don't trade gold, but what's your opinion on gold? Let's see. Gold came back to that resistance. I guess I would say watch this close. If it closes back in, then maybe you'll go up to fill 1912. If it doesn't, then maybe you'll come down to fill the wick. Yeah, I think. How many trades do I take a day? Maximum 3. Hello, John. How is it going? Good, good. I was done very early today. Before entering a trade, you say you're waiting for the candle to close, but what time frame do you wait for that confirmation? Sometimes 15, sometimes 30. Mostly 30. Yeah. Safest is 30. Oh, Mr. 7, did you wait for the 30 on the retest? Or was it the 15? Yeah. 4 more minutes to the close. I trade maximum 2 losses per day, risking 2% per trade. Maximum gain for me. And I have to leave is 10. Yeah, nice. Did I close my trade yesterday in profit? No, it was at break even, but I re-entered this morning on the 1 hour here. When it broke close below all the support, I entered. And then booms. So I just stuck to the buyers. Because I was going to bid ready, so I had to put it at break even. I am new. 15 pips. Let's see. Sad. Why is this entry so high? Oh, did you wait for this 1 hour support to form at your zone and then you entered when it broke the wick? Sad. Yeah. Honestly, if I'm entering off a 1 hour, right, I would be confident entering off the body actually. But that's me and my backtesting. So I would enter with like somewhere like this, entry here, and then stop loss below. So if the GJ candle closes bullish on the 15 and the 30, I would enter or wait for the close and wait for a retest. Yeah, so I would need a break first, J. Then after that, how should I show you an example? Okay, if it's on the 15 or the 30, right, basically I need one candle to break. So just now, like for example, if this candle is breaking, right, then I would just wait for another 15-minute support to form. As long as you're coming into some volume, then 15-minute support to form, I can take it long. But if there's no volume, then I'll wait for a 30. But in this scenario here of this area, because it's very dirty and very choppy, I would wait for 30, honestly. Yeah. Could see a good bit of movement heading to the 1 hour close. Yes, that's what I keep saying. Be careful, whoever's trading here. To do Sia, you've been asking me about my win rate, my percentage gain. I've told you many times, I don't count. If you want to go count, you can count my trades here. I really don't care about it. As long as I'm either break even or profitable for the day, I really don't care. Yeah, because you keep asking the same thing and I've given you the same answer every single time, please. To do Forex trading full-time, what would be the advisable capital to start with? Count your expenses and then work backwards from there. Ooh, cannot understand. Yao Ming. Make a look on dollar CHF. Range. That's all I see. Can I invite trainer? Who's that? Oh, let me see this thing. I understand Mara. Let me see. Which time frame I draw support and resistance? On the right side. Here. On the right side. Anyway, I can join the Zooms and communicate with the group. I was on it before when you got on, but I don't know what happened to it. It got privatized because that someone went to share the link. I think I announced it on the Discord. So it was requested by other members because it got really rowdy and people were calling very risky trades. So if you go to the Discord, there is a paywall now, so you can go read it on my channel. I think it should be under trading resources and trading discussions. It's pinned, so yes. Rainer Teo, I don't know. I don't know whether he is free. Rainer Teo trades on the daily, I think. What's dynamic risk? Dynamic risk is when you enter like in step up. Like, so example, if you are not sure about this entry here, right? For example, but you still wanted to go long off this 15-minute support, then you would enter like half risk here first, and then when it pushed above the wick, enter the other half with the same stop loss. How many hours do I trade a day? 7. I just saw the 3 books you recommend. For new traders, which book do you suggest I should start with? The candlestick one. Honest, trading in the zone is the last one, honestly. No X3 to 5. I start at 5. Yeah, candlestick Bible. Start with that one. If you start with that one, I don't even think you need naked forex. Do you see the volume slow down after Raja leaves, or is it just me? Today It's Friday. But usually it slows down till like the last 15 minutes before the London close from Mondays to Thursday. How many trades I took today? Technically 2. Do I think GJ is long or short? I think GJ is ranging. No direction. Okay, so I'm gonna hang around till this 15-minute close. Ask whatever questions you wanna ask. If not, then have a good weekend, right? It's a dabbing emote. Yep. Bye bye, Sal. Happy weekend. If I have any question with my chart, can I send it to you or setups? Yeah, I think you can just use the Discord channel. Sometimes I do pop in. Any trades for today? Not for me. Are you considering longs? Oh no, man. No. Danger. There's no support that formed nicely. But the 30 minutes still forming higher highs, so those that are in longs trying to get the wick fill here, I wouldn't trade past it because that's really dangerous, especially on Friday. Just grab your wick fill and be done. I think that's 20 pips easy. Almost. I took this long but stopped at break even. Oh, how? Oh, this was evil. Okay. Yeah. This week, right? I see. But you closed close some at 10? Should have, right? Or 80% at 10? Oh, you didn't close. Okay. It's Friday though. Just secure whatever you can. But anyway, you can mark it up. I'll see you on Sunday, then we can discuss it. Let's see. Yeah, Roher, you didn't show me what the rubber band thing is. I'm very curious. Is it Bollinger Band? That 15-minute double bottom was nasty. Eh? Okay, I'm going to end the stream. So again, I say trade till the wick. Don't ask for more. I'm fairly sure the rubber band strategy deals with moving averages. So yeah, I was thinking it's either moving averages. If not, then it'll be Bollinger Band, something like that. It sounds funny. That's why I was asking. Right, have a good weekend, everybody. See you, Peter. Peter, could you get in to the thing?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I tweaked the settings. My bad.
No, it's all good. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
You too.
Right, farewell, everybody. Stay safe. Please don't overtrade. No more trades. No more trades once London closes. Thank you. Alright, good night, everybody.